Subscribe to Monica Manikar and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a parcel which I won in Faber Castell competition. So let's unbox it. I am really excited and you can see my name written here, and you can also see there is air written on it. So it has come from Faber Castell India, Mumbai. So let's unbox this. I'm really excited for this, guys. So this competition was held online on Instagram official handle of Faber Castell. So when they had posted on their official handle of Instagram, I thought to participate in that, and I had sent my drawing to them and it was selected, and I received this parcel over 1 month ago, and I was like, I have to do a unboxing video for you guys so that you can also know that how much useful materials I have got from them. And guys, that this is my favorite brand which I always use since my childhood. So I have a lot of trust on them, and here it is. Oh wow, I'm really excited. I can see 1,000 rupees gift voucher over there. So this is a parcel which I have received. Here you can see that my name is written. Congratulations, Monica Manikar. Best compliments from Faber Castell. And also there is a 1,000 rupees gift voucher which I can buy anything, and this is a Amazon gift voucher. Again, a trusted website. So it is really heavy. I just can't wait to open this and show you guys what heaven we have got. So I think this opens from here. Let's open this. Yes, and yes, let's keep this tape aside. So let's open this box. I'm really excited that what's inside this. These art supplies are really cool, which I anytime buy from Faber Castell brand. So it looks like treasure. Oh, oh wow, I can see a scissor type thing. So there are a lot of things inside. Let's open this one by one. So first, this is Faber Castell craft scissors. So we can use this to do any craft items, and there are also some instructions that how many types of cuts we can do. So it will be really useful, and I will be doing some craft items in the upcoming videos with the. So this is a pack of 4 Faber Castell multi markers pens. This is marker pens. Oh, this is pack of 4 and with 4 colors. So again we have Faber Castell artist brush pens. This is Pitt artist brush pens. So these are really useful for making any, and this is available with a pack of 6. And we have a cute gel pen, black colored gel pen. And now we have Faber Castell 4 brushes, sorry. These are 4 brushes which can be used for both acrylic and watercolors. So I will be using these to make watercolor paintings and as well as canvas acrylic paintings. And this is a unique thing which I have got in these art supplies. This is Tackit. If you guys don't know what is Tackit, this is nothing but you can assume it as double-sided tape. We can use it anywhere, and we can put it like a double-sided tape, and we can stick anything like vase or any book or pen on our desk. So these package has some examples which you can see and apply. So it is a pack of 90 pieces. This is really helpful for any person and also for students. It is really helpful for sticking any of them. So these are glitter pens, glitter glue pens. So these are pack of 6 and they are also available in different 6 colors. And now we have Faber-Castell white glue. Again, this will be used for making any craft items as well as for school kids. It is really useful. And now we have Faber-Castell fabric paints. These fabric paints are available in this pack of 6. And now we have my favorite Faber-Castell color pencils. So these color pencils are my really favorite color pencils. And now we have Faber-Castell connectors. So these are connector sketch pens which can be used for making any doodles or writing anything, or also it can be used to write on sticky notes. So these are really useful as well as we can play with them. And now we have acrylic paints. So these acrylic paints are pack of 12. We get 12 colors in it. And now you can see that this box is empty. There is nothing inside it. So these are the things which I have got from the Faber-Castell. Thank you so much, Faber-Castell, and also this 1000 rupees gift voucher, Amazon gift voucher, which I will buy something really good with this. So let's have a quick recap that what all we got from it, what all I won in this competition. So we got this acrylic colors, and then we got this tacket brushes, connector sketch pens, and color pencils, my favorite, and glitter glues. And now we have got these fabric colors and the necessary one, the white glue, also this cute gel pen, and we have also got these pit brush pens, and we have got this 4 multi markers, and last but not the least, craft scissors. So I'm really loving it. I have never expected that I would win in this competition. I just casually taken part like any competition I have ever taken part, and these are really heaven. I just can't thank enough Faber-Castell that they had sent a package of heaven to my house, and I will be doing a lot of artworks with these, and these art supplies are really helpful for any beginner artist. You can buy these items from the link given in the description box. So guys, do check out, and I would like to thank Faber-Castell for sending this art supplies to me as my winning prize. And also I would like to thank all of you guys. So you made my channel 100 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.